The LYRIQ is built on a new modular electric vehicle platform powered by Ultium. The crown jewel of the Ultium system is the battery cell itself, where our strategy is to use the fewest number of the largest cells possible. These cells are then packaged into modules. This system is a simple, lightweight, and a space-efficient solution, which enables us to optimize the battery energy storage and the layout for each vehicle design. The Ultium propulsion system will be launching with a state-of-the-art NCMA chemistry. This is a new chemistry where we've taken a standard nickel, manganese, cobalt chemistry, and we've added aluminum. The addition of the aluminum allows us to increase the nickel content and decrease the cobalt content, which gives customers more range at lower cost.
Range is critically important when selecting an EV. We've designed LYRIQ to achieve 300 miles of range on a full battery charge.
We will also offer both a level 1 and a level 2 AC charging, as well as DC fast charging capability to make sure that the concern of range and the concern of charge time is not something that will ever get in the way of the Cadillac customer being able to enjoy their driving experience.